Good PMS. So mao ni ko is number 8 problem. Problem number 8. So this line using system. So mao na jud ni siya. Sige balik-balik. Mao ni ang na mao ni ang mo kuan sa tanan. Public class electricity, public static void main string args. So this define a class named electricity bill and its main method, the entry point of the program string args so allows command line agreements. So console write enter monthly electricity usage kilo kilo hours. So this from the user double usage double point parse console read line. So the prompts the user to enter electricity usage in kilowatt hours and store it as a floating point number and the usage variable. So double parse so silbi mo ni siya ang mo convert mis para sa into a double. Then console write in the customer type residential use commercial and string customer type equal console point read line. Then lower this part of the customer type residential or commercial converts the input to lowercase using to lower. So for case insensitive comparison and store it the customer type is string variable. Asa na to? Asa naman to? Customer console write is the customer a senior citizen, yes or no. String senior citizen equal console read line to lower uppercase. So this line is this prompt of the senior citizen status is or no converts to lowercase and store it in senior citizen. Again, error handling for expected input is absent. So there is a public static double calculate bill double usage string customer type string senior citizen double rate 0 double discount 0. So this line is print the calculate so bill for me to 2 decimal places using. So if customer residential if usage greater than equal 100 rate equal 0.10 else if usage greater than equal 500 rate equals 0.15 else then rate equals 0.20 else if customer type equal commercial and rate equals 0.25 then else. So this line is instead of if else block determines the electricity rate basis. This is on usage for residential customer thyroid rate structure and implement. Then the 0.25 this is the rate for commercial customer. Then console point write line invalid customer type so handle invalid input return to 0 or through the expectation. Then double base bill equal usage times rate. So this calculates the basic bill by multiplying usage and rate. Discount equal base bill times 0.10. So mm, if this is 10% discount if the customer is a senior citizen. So return this bill to discount. So on this return, the final bill amount this is bill minus discount. So mga na miss. Okay, miss.